highlights of the KBN Premier League Season 7 is brought to you by Mass Construct. अपना ड्रीम हाउस बनाए Mass Construct साथ क्वालिटी, अफोर्डेबिलिटी और बेस्ट प्राइस में. कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर. एंड बाय धारवाड़ मोटर्स, जहां पर आपको मिले वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीकल्स एट बेस्ट प्राइस.
Oh, good shot. Others Prajwal played that on one mid-on fielder. One bounce over the rope. That's a lovely shot. Again he goes. One mid-on. Same area. Another boundary to Others Prajwal. Just over the fielder said that mid-on. Again straight down the ground. This is even better than the last two. 3 hat-trick boundaries in a row. Again he goes. Has he got the distance? Wait for the umpire signal. That's 6. Yes, it is. That gone the distance. That's another one. This time to the over long off. 4 boundaries and a 1-6. Good shot. Look at that. That's a 1 bounce over the rope. Again clears the infield comfortably. Others Prajwal. Oh, just a very good catch. And gone. Others Prajwal departs. Sigh of relief for the captain Mohsin Khan. Huge relief for Mohsin Khan. In the air, Wabadam just away from the fielder at mid-on region into the boundary. Good shot from Imran Khan. He gets his first boundary. Appeal. Oh, that's a good shot. Bhuvan Raju. And he gets a 6. Over deep square leg. That's a lovely shot. Down the track comes in the air and gone. Mari Basava gets a wicket. Bhuvan Raju departs.
Catch it.
This time finds the gap and gets a boundary. In between cover and extra cover. Lovely shot.
Boundary 4.
Shot. Boundary. Oh, outside edge. And into the boundary. Shivrajas. Oh, good shot. That's a lovely shot through the deep mid wicket. A boundary to Shivrajas. Break of a shackle. Goes on the back foot, played it down the ground. And he gets a boundary, I think. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it is. Again he goes. And taken that deep square leg. Shura just can't believe his luck. This is a big body blow. 5 on Royal Royals. Oh, good shot in the air, but in the gap. 1 bounce. 2 bounce into the fence. Oh, Gaurav K comes into the attack and welcome to the boundary. Good shot. Down the ground, man at deep. I don't think he will cut it off. No, he doesn't. That's a boundary. Much needed boundary. Handy boundary. Useful boundary for Harshavardhan Kuba. Oh, good shot. Sharan Baswa. How deposited that one over deep mid wicket. That's a 6. Oh, that's a good sweep. Shot over. Shot fine leg. 1 bounce into the fence. That's a lovely shot. Good news. Mari Basava back into the attack. Good shot. That's huge and long. That's 6. What a strike from Harshavardhan Kuba. He is turning it on for the Ivan Shah Royals. Oh, good shot over extra cover. 1 bounce, 2 bounce into the fence, rolled away into the fence. That's a lovely shot. Harshavardhan Kuba gets his 50. Wonderful innings. This is the area. He likes to score more again. He goes straight down the ground, gets a boundary, back-to-back boundaries for Harshavardhan Kuba. Played it down the ground. Harshavardhan Kuba, long chase for the fielder and the ball will win the race. Another boundary. Down the track he comes, played it straight to the fielder. Sai Jagirdar takes a very good catch. Low catch, but he takes it very well. Another wicket goes down. Second wicket for Shivkumar BU. Good shot. Rahul Singh, fast ball and gets a six. That's a lovely shot. It's a maiden six for Rahul Singh. Down the track comes. Played it down the ground. The ball running over to the boundary. Desperate effort in the deep. The ball went all the way to the boundary. Boundary to finish things off. Rahul Singh. 6 and a boundary. 170 run exactly for the loss of 6 wickets in 20 overs. The target is 171 in allotted 20 overs. We will be back shortly. Good shot. That's a lovely shot through the mid-on region. That's a boundary, first boundary and welcome boundary. Oh, good shot. This time desperate to dive by the fielder but unable to stop the boundary. Punching it down the ground again. Misfield by the extra cover. There is a man at long off. Wide long off. Good fielding though. The back for the second. Couple of runs to the total. This time Wawa square leg. And this will run out to the boundary. No need to run for that. Good placement. Wawa square leg into the boundary. Mirza Wasim Beg looking good. 12 over feet and pulls that one very well. To the deep mid wicket. That's another boundary. Shivkumar BU looking good. Nicely played it to the square leg. Chase for the fielder. Can he pull that one inside the rope? No, he doesn't. Another boundary for Shivkumar BU. He is dealing in boundaries at the moment. Good shot. Clear center field. Bhuvan Raju in the down in the deep. Has he got him? No, he hasn't. That's going to wait for the umpire signal what it will be exactly. This time over square leg. Another boundary. 6 and a boundary. 10 runs in first 2 balls. Shivkumar BU looking really dangerous as the Ivan Shoy Royals is concerned. He's aggressive. Oh, Mirza Wasim Beg straight to the fielder. At extra cover. Who's the catcher? Who takes a lovely catch? Good shot. Over cover. One bounce over the rope, it looks like to me. Yes, it is. One bounce over the rope. That's a lovely shot. Shivkumar BU is in full flow at the moment. Oh, swept it well. Beats the fielder at short point leg. That's a very good shot from Saurabh Mathur. He gets his first boundary. Flighted one, well played down the ground. Over the bowler shot into the boundary. Back-to-back boundaries for Saurabh Mathur. That's good shot. He goes for the biggie and gets it way over deep to get into the stands. Shivkumar BU gets his second 6. Straight to the fielder. Sachin Kerato takes a real gimme. That's a lovely catch.
नहीं है सिंगे
Boundary, lovely shot. Oh, lovely ball. Has he got him? Yes, he has. That's a vital wicket. Sachin Kerato delighted with the wicket of Tushar Singh. Good shot by Sai Jagirdar. Has he got hold of it? Over deep mid wicket. That's a lovely shot. First ball and a 6. Opens his account with a magnificent 6. Over deep mid wicket. Goes again. One bounce over the rope. Lovely shot. Again he goes. This is even bigger. That's a second 6 for Sai Jagirdar. That's a in the air. Fielder in the deep. Shivrajas. Another 6 for Sai Jagirdar. This time straight to the short third man. Sai Jagirdar late luck cameo innings comes to an end. Fourth wicket goes down. Oh, goes big. Man in the deep.
Come on.
And it takes a catch. Voves Abdul Wahid departs. That's up in the air. I don't think that will carry. One bounce over the rope. Much needed boundary. That's a good shot. That's up in the air. Harshavardhan Kuba, who takes the catch this time and hits the ball back to the ground after taking the catch. Gaurav K departs. Goes big. That's a lovely shot. Steps to the right zone. Who's the catcher? Goes for the wicket. That's up in the air. There is a fielder. Who takes the catch? A fourth wicket. Paxton on low is Hampton departs. Another wicket goes down. That's up in the air. Shivrajas. Who takes the catch? And 9 down. For the Ivan Choi Royals, they win this match by 34 runs. Ivan Choi Royals win the must-win match by 34 runs. Over to the studio.
Well, good evening, Gulbarga. Welcome to the KBN Premier League Season 7. It's match number 25 and day 13 of non-stop action at the KBN Turf Ground. It was Avonshire Royals and Mominpura Masters. Mominpura Masters, a must-win game and knockout situation. And having said that, Avonshire Royals won the toss and elected to bat first. And what a good decision that was. And they scored 170 for the loss of 6 wickets in 20 overs. Round of applause for the Avonshire Royals, 170. A key batsman, key performance, Harshvardhan Kuba, 61 runs off 42 balls. 8 fours and 1 6 for Harshvardhan Kuba. And he's got a lot of fans on Instagram actually, so he will be happy with another picture. Okay, and another star batsman, the backbone of the team, Shivraj S, making 36 off 25 balls, 3 fours and 1 6 for the Mr. Dependable, Shivraj. Talking about the bowling of the Mominpura Master, we had Shiv Kumar BU and an all-round performance, 2 wickets by conceding 18 runs off 2 overs. Round of applause for Shiv Kumar for his efforts. So the stage was set, 170 can be chased easily if you are applying the batting, but having said that, the Mominpura Master couldn't keep up with the pressure and they bowled out at 136 for the loss of 9 wickets and 20 overs, and thereby Avonshire Royals winning this match quite comfortably by 34 runs. Speaking about the batting performance from the Mominpura Masters, once again Shiv Kumar BU took the pressure early on and scored 57 runs of 46 balls, 5 fours and 2 sixes. Really well played, Shiv Kumar. I really enjoyed your batting. And today, Syed Jagirdar also played well, scoring 24 runs of 10 balls, 1 4 and 3 sixes. Syed Jagirdar. Pick of the bowlers from the Avonshire Royals, because Mominpura Masters are a very good batting side. So Shumon Lewis, the birthday boy, few days back we had his birthday. He took 4 wickets, conceding 31 runs, and in his 4 overs, he bowled really well, 4 wickets. Santosh Hatti, again, 2 wickets of 21 runs by in 4 overs. And Harshvardhan Kuba again with batting and bowling, 2 wickets, conceding 12 runs in 3 overs. So, the player of the match for his all-round performance from the Avonshire Royals, Harshvardhan Kuba. Ladies and gentlemen, Harshvardhan Kuba, a very young personality coming up. I request Mr. Sohail Munshi to give away a check of rupees 2,500 from the KBN Premier League Committee and a glittering memento for Harshvardhan Kuba. And this is the check. And these so happy moments for a young cricketer taking this opportunity. Well done. Harshvardhan, please come on for a small chat, and because you have some more prizes lined up. Harshvardhan Kuba, you are playing really well. Last season, there's been a lot of, talk about your performance. This time you have played really well. So who do we ought to give this credit?
No, just I'm trying to keep things simple, nothing to worry a lot. Just trying to bat deep and bat till 17th over. The idea was to bat till 17th over. Me and DS had a plan, so look from there. So I felt still we was 10 runs short because BUBI was bowling. I would have felt 10 runs more, but no worries, 170 was good.
You lost a few games before this match. So how was the team momentum going to this match? Because your top 4 positions are still not confirmed. So how important is this win?
We are not worried really, to be honest. We're just trying to do our job and be ourselves and try and impress.
Okay, absolutely right, Harsh. Thank you so much for your wonderful side. I would request Mr. Salim and Mr. Imtiaz on behalf of team owners to give away cash prize of 2,000 rupees to Harshvardhan. I request Mr. Salim and Mr. Imtiaz to kindly come up and give away a cash prize of 2,000 rupees to Harshvardhan Khuba for his outstanding batting and bowling. I would now request Shimon Lewis to also kindly join us. A cash prize of 2,000 rupees from Mr. Imtiaz on behalf of the owners of Avonshire Royals. 2,000 rupees for Shimon Lewis. And we have the Chandrasekhar Hiramat Foundation T-shirt prize that is being given to a person who has really played outstanding cricket. Apart from the player of the match, there are some stars you cannot hide, you cannot, miss them. And the T-shirt will be going once again to, any guesses? Shivkumar Biyu for his wonderful batting. Shivkumar, yet another branded T-shirt for his 57 runs. Shivkumar, this is for you. You played really well. Another Puma T-shirt. I think the stock is getting more for Shiva Kumar. So thank you so much. This is what we have here at the KBN House of Sports from the KBN Premier League Season 7. And wait, don't go anyway, because Rosa Stars are taking on the Market Super Kings. Rosa Stars, a must-win game, a virtual knockout. So stay tuned, and I would request the winning team to kindly come up for the photo session. Thank you.
Highlights of the KBN Premier League Season 7 is brought to you by Mass Construct. अपना ड्रीम हाउस बनाए Mass Construct साथ क्वालिटी, अफोर्डेबिलिटी और बेस्ट प्राइस में. कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर. एंड बाय धारवाड़ मोटर्स, जहां पर आपको मिले वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीकल्स एट बेस्ट प्राइस.